one morning, Kitty Fawcett was working in her garden.
Go.
Willie Maxi.
What do you want?
Huh?
Go.
Willie Maxi.
Go.
Willie Maxi.
What do you want, Katie? Can you see I'm busy over here, huh?
From here, Willie, I want you to hear something.
What is it?
What?
Go.
Listen, do you hear that?
Go.
Listen, do you hear that?
It sounds like
Listen, do you hear that?
it sounds like the stars in the morning.
Okay, last. Kay kami ni Luis, we need category A.
Yeah.
Yeah. Go.
Yes, that's it. A church service.
But Mom,
Go.
huh? Di na. Wait, siya.
Go.
Ano? Hindi ko kita. 5 little monkeys. Excuse me, teacher Edson, why? Excuse me, creature. Excuse me, preacher Edson. Excuse me, preacher and go.
Preacher.
Wait. Excuse me, preacher Edson White. Morning song. Kaya hindi ko kita.
Little monkey, sampi-dampi.
Mure. I don't know. I don't know.
When was the Sabbath made?
I don't know.
What was the... Oh my God.
Go.
Go again.
Then I'm giving it to
Ba!
Miss Katie. I like to speak a word with you. Surely, Reverend Brown. Kasilaw.
Eh, thou.
Go na.
Go na.
Do you have a standard boat here, Ed said? Laughs. Na, no, tadlong na ka mo.